Hello. Rowdy, look at me. This is my second puppy. He looks so cute. Well, this is my yard. Yes, my puppy. So, this is basically my house. There's my puppy again. And that's basically it. On my next video, I'm going to show you the inside of the house, but yeah. I'm going to show you the outside today. So, here's our garage. We're still building our house. But here's our house. And yeah, that's our garage. It's really messy right now. But yeah, we're gonna clean that out soon. So, we have a pond, and we have some kayaks, but yeah, we're gonna make the pond much bigger, hopefully, so we can, like, swim in it. Well, we can't swim in it right now, but it's ice cold, and there's a bee's nest right there. Yeah, so, my dog's eating grass. This is our neighbor's yard. I have to finish raking it to get 20 bucks, so I might do that tomorrow. But yeah, that's this side of our house. This is this side. All this side of our house, and that's our greenhouse. This is my dad's office. That's my neighbor's house, and yeah, that's it. So, get back to you in my next video. I can't really see right now. Well, bye.